Hello, guys. Today is the 14th of February, Valentine Day. As you have seen that haven't broadcast my analysis review last couple of days, and the reason behind we were working on the new innovative platform dedicated for traders to find a better opportunity in real time. So let me share with you guys today a little bit overview of the platform and I'll share with you today's analysis and a couple of trades which we have taken and shared with all of my members. So let's go through. This is the platform we are name it is FxEdify. So let's start and let me start from here. So we can see here this is basically the area where you can select or add your favorite pairs, and this is the latest live analysis. All of the live analysis and their updates will be broadcast instantly in this area, and this is the news updates. Any sentiment or any news regarding to the financial market or forex will be broadcasted in real time. We have built our own AI which basically check on the internet anything latest will be broadcast instantly here. So at the bottom, as you know, the news is very major part of the trading. So we will get all the latest news, upcoming news, what time they are coming, and we also get the alert in the system when the news is about to release in 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Here you can also see what time the news is about to come, what are the projections. All the detail is given here. So, of all the live analysis, as you have seen that every day in the morning, London morning session and the New York session, all of my live analysis, which basically broadcasted with all my members, and the recording instantly available in this area. So in this section, when you select any pair, you will get this, trade execution options. And here you can see that available pips to 48 because we assign every trader 200 pips. They cannot lose more than 200 pips. If they are constantly losing 200 pips, system will basically flag it, and then we basically help them traders to not to lose too many pips. So technically they cannot mess around with the system and they cannot do the emotional. They know what they are limits. So that's because that's why we are trying to help our traders to be in a discipline. Then here you can select either market order or either limit order this section, and you can add take profit in pips, or you can give an accurate value. Same here in stop loss, and pretty standard. You can either press long and short button to execute that trade. Okay, so now if you really want to see the charts of that current pair, so you can also click here and you can see the charts. And you can also customize, by the way, on this pair. So let's, for example, if I click on this customize, so you can see here if I want to focus only few pairs, so you can delete those pairs from here, and the system will automatically adjust. So another more important thing is all of your trades will be in groups. So for example, if I open the pound, euro USD, sorry, Aussie dollar and the pound yen, all of my trade is going to be coming here. So you can organize your trading panel where you can see the pips live, and this is the total pips. So far I have made 48 pips, and if I click on this 48 pips, I can see here the my history, all of breakdown of my pips. And as you can see here, I have lost only one day. That's the 2nd of February, because we were testing the system. So far I am keeping it. My target is 30-40 pips a day. As you can see here, today was amazing trade because we had a nice beautiful short trade on pound yen. So if you look ahead, this 36 pips on pound dollar, and if you click on this eye icon, so you can see here when I taken this trade hand and when I close the trade. So every trade traders take on this platform, the screenshot will be taken for the history, so they can go on the past trade and they can rectify their strength and their weaknesses, and accordingly they can trade improve their trading skill. If I go in a back, and that's another area which you can see the squawk, and that's when I click on this squawk button, and as you can see it's gone to the green, and it means every time when analyst or broadcast that live market commentary, and the also you can see how my traders is also analyst is also broadcasting this analysis. So they can also hear what the analyst is saying about the market or about the specific analysis. If I click on this analysis, which is recently just broadcasted, as you can see here, we already had a beautiful short trades on this analysis, and now my trader is saying any pullback would consider high probability of short trade here. But if you look at the I'm just going to click on this pound dollar analysis here. You can see at our previous analysis, one of the analysis we just bank here, and the green one is the target hit, the white one is the new analysis, yellow one is basically the first target hit, and there's still opportunity the market might gonna follow up. So for example, if I click on this green one, as you can see here, this is what we explained to our trader. This is the area looking for breakout. When the market was about to break, we announced that information through Squawk, and we also announced all these pullbacks to our trader not to miss this opportunity. When the first target is about to hit, that's why we explained to our trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So, and if you look at the, if you want to scroll view more news, so just click on this view all. You can see all the latest information our AI bring here for you guys. And if you want to see all the news here views, you can see here all the news. And if you just want to see the only high impact news, just click on this high impact news. You can see when this data is about to release. The more interesting part of it, system will also give you the alert when the news is about to come, and we also update our information through the Squawk. Every information alerts comes, you can see here in this area, all of your notifications come here when there's a target profit hit or stop loss hit, or if there's any market information which we want to share, you can get that information here. Okay, so if you really want to, as a trader needs some support, so they can click on this chat button. Either they need a technical support, analysis support. If they need some help about the analysis, they can click. Our analyst is going to respond to them. If they need a technical support about the system, we have a technical team which they're going to help them, support them. And we have an account traders who got a funded account from us, so basically they can click on, they can chat our funded account team. So if you look at the euro yen trade, and if I click on this one, you can see here that's the my entry price, and this is my Aussie dollar entry price, stop loss and break even. As you can see, we have only here is a pip. A reason, because this platform is designed to help our traders to develop the trading skill without emotionally, so they don't have any dollar sign here, they're just making a pips. But all these pips, once they qualify to become a successful trader, all this trade goes to their funded account, which we give them another platform where they can see here how much money they have made it for based on the 12 pips. So here we just make it things simpler for them, helping them emotionally to make more pips and more money. And if you look at the entry price, if I click this entry price, as you can see here, my system is telling this is the entry price. That based on the counter long trade we had it, and based on that you can see the already accumulated 12 pips, 97 pips. And if I look at the pound yen, let me explain to you the analysis which we have initiated. And if I click on this pound pair, I can also open a trade here. And if I go to the analysis review, you can see that this was the analysis. Based on that, based on that, we have taken a short trade here, and I'm still holding that trade here. You can see it's such a beautiful. All the analysis for this week of the pound yen is going to be displayed here. So every pair you open it, you can see all the analysis of this week, where you can go through and you can check, you can verify too. So let's suppose if I'm trading in one platform and I have another screen to look at, I wanted this open, or my all open position into different screens so that I can manage it accordingly. So you can click on this open position here, and you can drag it to another monitor, because normally, as you have seen, the mostly traders, they have multiple screens, like the way I have it. So I can keep all of my trades in area, so that I can keep an eye on them. And if I want to take close trade here, I can close trade, I can manage. This is the break even, this is the update, this is the close trade here. So on this side, you can see here this analyst is online, is live now. You can see green. When we offline, you can see a red. So normally we come London morning session and the New York session, opening session. Then we broadcast all the live analysis recording here, and all the intraday real time analysis we constantly broadcasting here. If you look at the all of my previous analysis, you can just click any date here. So we have like 3 4 years of all of my analysis recording is here. So if you click here on this one, you can see here, this is the analysis we had this morning, counter long trade in the Asian session, beautiful breakout. And if you go to the next one, you can see here, you can go through all this analysis and you can learn it, all the price action techniques which we have shared with live with our traders. But if you want to see the analysis of my live recording, so you can see at the bottom here, you can see and click on this view history. Here you can choose which day you want it, like 13. If you see here, we have a London morning session analysis and the New York session analysis. If you want to go and see here, you can also click here and you can view all the analysis. Okay, so if you go to the academy, in academy we have a comprehensive training about the platform. We have all the resources. We have our own, FX more Forex momentum system, which we have seen all the indicators. Information is completely given here for our traders. Explain each and every single detail of our system, which we use for the price action analysis. So at the bottom, if the traders doesn't have any basics, they can develop their basic knowledge. We have a comprehensive training for the basics. If somebody wants to develop in advanced training, we have all the training material is given here, where you can understand in depth about the market structure, order blocks, price imbalance. All that information, advanced topics, has been discussed here. And if you don't have information and you traders wants to develop their fundamental analysis information, we have given all that information here, how the banks and the fundamentals, how they are, how these things impact to the financial market and help traders to manage amazing profits. So you can see we have a comprehensive training. And settings, of course, they can go and they set up their funded accounts and all that information. Another important thing is that is the workspace. If you click on the workspace, you can organize your pairs. So let's suppose if you want to go only 4 pairs, so you can bring this template and you can put it on the screen, or you can watch that pairs 4 pairs accordingly, and you can organize it accordingly. System will automatically adjust. But if you have another screen and you want to see a 6 pair, you can also go and 6 pair. You can see how beautifully organized nicely, which you can see in live charts. And if you want to see all of the 12 pairs, if you click on this 12 pairs, you can see all the 12 pairs is coming nicely, and that's basically the templates. And let's say if you want to create your own template, you can go here and configure, and you can create your own templates. Like for example, I've already created this template. If I click on this one and my templates, it's going to go my template, the template which is I have created as specific on my choice of the pairs, which I can organize it accordingly. So guys, this is the we are still this in a beta version. We are bringing a lot of information, a lot of help over traders, as you can see here, based on the analysis which we shared this morning. As you can see, my analyst is just mentioned, consider tightening your stop loss and move your stop loss at the break even. Let's see here what exactly he's up to. If I click on this analysis, he mentioned that look for pullback here, which market nicely developed, moving in favor. Now he's telling is consider tightening your stop loss if you want it, or move your stop loss at the break even, like 15 20 pips price moved. So that sort of information is coming live in real time through intraday analysis. Top of that, that information is coming through the RD square. So guys, I hope you enjoy the little introduction about the platform. But if you would like to see all that analysis in real time and would like to make bank amazing pips every single day, you know what to do. Most welcome. Join our fast growing today community, and you will find our contact detail at the description below. Have a safe trading, guys, and wish you all the best.